Welcome to Janwise Tech. I'm going to be showing you how to add another account or add another Facebook account in the same phone without wasting much of your time. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can pay me back if I teach you this. So let's go to the video. If you want to add another account in any phone, so what you do is, if it's on an iPhone, you go to this menu, this place. If you go to the menu, you log out your account, log out. So once you click on logout, this is the place whereby it's written use another profile. So that use another profile means to add another Facebook account. So what you do is click on that use another profile, you cancel. So you go ahead and put your login details. So once you have put it all, you just tap on login. It will automatically log you into the account. So that's the only way you can log into any Facebook account or add another profile or add another account to your DC. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the video.